Hi guys, this is the Mighty Mighty Titan. We are on the walking trail and this is what we saw. There's some people. Looks like they're fishing down there. Okay, come on boy. There we go. Yeah. So we are actually walking and that's what Titan was running after over there. So we are on the walking trail and people are fishing today. And come on, boy. And so Titan and we are just having a little adventure. This is our second little adventure here where we saw. Oh, what's going on? The lighting. What's going on? Oh, there we go. Come on, boy. You could hardly see, but we're over here. Titan, let's go, boy. Let's go. We're going. All right, go ahead. It is absolutely beautiful, and Titan is having fun. So I just thought I would share it with you guys on today. The water looks a little, I don't know. I don't like the way it looks, but be careful. So until next time, this is the Mighty Mighty Titan signing out. Bye.